Champs-Élysées.
I will explain and then you will take pictures. Now, when these two things are too close one to the other. John Lennon, the famous singer, never came to Prague, but this wall was devoted to him, called after him, after his death. Can you remember when he was killed? It was in the year, in December in 1980. And someone, a Czech, painted a beautiful portrait of Lennon on this wall. This is still a part of the Malta Knights complex. And then every year Czechoslovak people came here, gathered here on the occasion of the anniversary of Lennon's death. It means every year on the 8th of December many people came here with cars and they played